I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious vanilla chocolate chip cookies. First, ensure your oven is preheating to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Gather 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of salt. You will also need 1 cup of softened unsalted butter, 3/4 cup of packed brown sugar, and 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. Don't forget 2 large eggs and 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract for that classic flavor. Now let's combine our dry and wet ingredients. In a separate medium bowl, whisk together 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of salt. This ensures even distribution. Gradually add this dry mixture to your creamed butter and sugar, mixing on low speed. Stop mixing as soon as the flour streaks disappear to avoid tough cookies. Overmixing develops gluten, which can make your cookies less tender. The best part is next, adding the chocolate chips. Gently fold in 1 1/2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips, or your preferred variety, until they are evenly distributed throughout the dough. Using a cookie scoop or 2 spoons, drop rounded tablespoons of dough about 2 inches apart onto ungreased baking sheets. Bake them in your preheated oven for 9 to 11 minutes, or until the edges are lightly golden brown and the centers are still soft. Once baked, allow your delicious cookies to cool on the baking sheet for about 2 minutes. This brief cooling period helps them set up and prevents them from breaking when you move them. Then, carefully transfer the cookies to a wire rack to cool completely. This ensures air circulates all around them, preventing sogginess. Serve them warm with a glass of milk, or store them in an airtight container for up to 3 days. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.